In this video, I am going to show how to configure disk quota in Windows Server 2012. So I have a Windows Server 2012 here, and here we have a C drive on which I am going to enable disk quota. First of all, we need to create a share folder on the desktop and give it the name test and give them the permission. Click on sharing and click on permissions and give everyone the rights. Click on security, click on add on everyone. So just for the sake of practical, I am adding everyone, but don't add in your environment. Give the permission according to the user. So don't give everyone permission. So now we have a test folder ready, and I'm going to my client machine. Here I am going to add this share folder. Click on finish. So now this entire space can be used by this standard user named as Tarun. So this is the user, this is domain joined PC. So now if I want to limit this user, the disk space, because I have this file and this is, I think, this is 61.1 MB. If the user want to copy this folder, this file, he can copy it and there is no restriction up to 39 GB. So we can use this quota to restrict the user uh, to limited space. Like this is showing 39.8 GB. Let's give him only 50 MB space. So go to your server and on the disk, right click and click on properties and click on quota tab and click on enable disk management. If you want to generate log, you can check these boxes and click on quota entries. Now in quota entry, click on new quota entry. First of all, select the user on which you want to apply the disk limit. And here we want to apply only 50 MB so that it can no longer copy the 61 MB file. So when it cross 25 MB, the warning will appear. So now you can see here the quota limit has been added. 50 MB and warning limit to 25 MB and percentage use is 0. So click on OK. Just close this dialog box. And now if you go to your client machine and refresh it, you need to log off once. Log off or restart once to apply the changes. Let's restart the machine. Just refill. This quota has been applied. Just waiting for the system to restart. So now you can see the disk quota has been applied, and 39.8 GB disk is showing as 50 MB. So if the user try to copy this file, so the message appear there is not a space on test 10.1 61 when you need to copy, delete, or move file. You have enough space. Space free is 50 MB, and total size is 50 MB. So in this way, you can apply limit to the standard user. Thanks for watching.